Skirting boards help make the home environment stand out and look much better for homeowners. They also act as protection for the walls and cover gaps that would otherwise let heat escape from the house. However, what if you have old skirting boards to remove or the new skirting simply isn't to your taste? Well, in today's video we'll be showing you just that, how to remove your skirting boards. Before you start, here's the tools you'll need. You'll need a crowbar, a hammer, and a Stanley knife. Step 1. Before attempting to remove the skirting board, first use a Stanley knife and cut along the top of the skirting board. Use pressure to make sure that the cork and paint is cut. Be mindful of the wall. The last thing you want to do is to either damage or ruin it. Step 2. After cutting the cork and paint, get the crowbar and hammer. Where the cork and paint was cut, put the crowbar in the gap and tap on it lightly using the hammer. Slowly repeat the process until you find the fixing within the skirting board. Once you do, use the crowbar as a pry and carefully pry away the fixing until it comes loose. Do not use the wall as a pivot, as this may cause damage to the wall and it could also break the crowbar. Step 3. Continue to repeat steps 1 and 2 until finally all of the fixings on the skirting board are removed. Once this is done, take care and remove the skirting board off the wall. Mind your hands and remove any fixings that are still attached to the wall. And that is how to remove your old skirting boards. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from us, please consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, we will see you in our next video.